I just want to always be better than I was yesterday. If you try to compete with someone else, I feel like that really stems from a lot of negativity. If you compete with yourself and try to be better, I feel like that is a much healthier way to approach it.
So let's go back to the beginning. I mean, how did you get started in the hair industry?
My start was Northwest Florida, so Pensacola, Florida. I went to a community college for hair. Prior to that, I got my marketing degree, and then I was not fit for the corporate world. I don't know if you could tell, but I don't know. I was just like, wasn't working out. So I went back to school for hair, and I said, if I just spent all that money to get my degree, and I'm going back to a year of school to be a hairstylist, I've got to make this good. I love the fact that by being a hairstylist and a colorist, I get to create. So that's like the personal fulfillment that I get. I get to use hair as my canvas. Also, making somebody feel really, really beautiful and comfortable in their own skin. For me, this makes it be the best profession there is possible.
You love to like start trends and look for new things in the industry. Is it always a hit? Like when you try, are there like times that you try things and go, okay, we're never gonna do that again?
Yeah, a lot. And it's actually like the things I think are gonna go womp womp and be like, well, this is whatever, turn out being like the coolest thing. Like sand art, that's the thing that ended up being on Good Morning America. That's the thing that got reposted. I can't even tell you how many times.
Was that like one of those defining moments where you feel like you really blew up?
That was one of the things where I was like jumping around in the living room like, oh my God, I'm on Good Morning America. I mean, that's crazy. You never think that that's gonna be a thing. You know, because of social media and Instagram and all that good stuff, we're exposed to new product lines and new techniques and everything like at lightning speed. So yeah, I'm a huge advocate of trying anything and everything that's out there, forming your own opinions, and just kind of staying in the know when it comes to that.
When I was first starting out, I don't know about you, but I worked with somebody that was just so open to sharing everything with me. And I know some people that are assisting there always tell me, they don't tell me their formulas, they won't share things with me. I mean, I feel like, how else are you gonna learn?
First of all, no one can really steal your technique or your formula because you're working on a different canvas. Everybody's canvas is going to be different, so why not share? If it can help a little bit, why not? I feel like at the very least, it's good karma. Really, the way B3 has changed the way I'm coloring hair is just the finish. I can't get over that. Of course, I use it in my lightener, and that allows me to lift further. That, for one, is a big game changer for me.
What have you noticed with B3 as far as, adding that into your direct dye colors?
Right away, what I saw that I was not getting with anything else is that immediate like shine, immediate slip, immediate like super mega conditioning qualities. You just get both. I feel like you're getting the internal structure is really being fortified and strengthened, and then I feel like you're really seeing it immediately too. It's just sort of like a one-stop shop. You're getting everything you need as an additive.
Young stylists just starting out. Is there something that you wish somebody had told you that they didn't, that you had to learn the hard way?
Just don't limit yourself with clicks and expose yourself to people and scenarios and whatever that maybe make you a little uncomfortable. Just be real and be you and try the things you want to try and talk to the people you want to talk to, and just don't get wrapped up in all the politics that can happen.
Yeah, one thing I know, B3, like as a brand, we want to be like all-inclusive for everybody, and I feel like that's how everything should be in the industry.
Yeah, exactly. Welcome everybody in.